So it looks like the Kardashians are now being petty in their battle with Blac Chyna. They're demanding that she pay them for their legal fees of almost $400,000. Welcome back to the Kempire Daily YouTube channel, where we get daily and consistent hot topics in music, entertainment, reality TV, and so much more. As always, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on breaking news when we go live or when we upload. So as you know, we've been covering the Blac Chyna versus the Kardashians for a while now. And the most recent story that we did was that Blac Chyna lost in court. But here's the thing. She just wasn't awarded monetary damages in this whole situation. But she did prove that the Kardashians did have some involvement in what she was accusing them of. Let's get into the details, because you know I'm not a lawyer, but we will get into the specifics of what exactly this is and what exactly Kris Jenner is looking to get from Blac Chyna. So according to their exclusive, Page 6 is reporting, they said Blac Chyna's attorney hit back at the Kardashian Jenners, filing demanding that Blac Chyna pay them more than $391,000 in legal fees. So Lynn Ciani, who represented Blac Chyna in her recent 2-week trial against the reality TV stars, told Page 6 in an exclusive statement this past Tuesday that the powerhouse family, quote, cannot recover legal fees from her client, Angela White, aka Blac Chyna. Ciani said, Kris Jenner's attempt to financially ruin Angela White, the mother of her granddaughter Dream Kardashian, will not work. The lawyer said that under California law, costs are only awarded to defendants when, quote, when they are without fault. So as I said to you before, in this case, they were at fault. Blac Chyna just was not awarded any damages. So the lawyer says under California law, costs are only awarded to defendants, quote, when they are without fault. But the jury came to a verdict that both Kris and Kylie Jenner, quote, falsely claimed Chyna had abused her ex-fiance, Rob Kardashian. The same Los Angeles jury reached a verdict that defendants Kris Jenner, Kim Kardashian, Khloe Kardashian, and Kylie Jenner did not act reasonably and in good faith to protect their own economic interests in the Rob and Chyna show. Guys, it's Pride Month, and so many of you have been sending me pictures in our texting community showing me. I love it when you guys show me your dogs or your kids with the Pride merch and stuff on. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Well, you don't just get sweatshirts, t-shirts. There's all kinds of really great merchandise and great designs that I've designed myself with the help of some graphic designers, of course. But it's all my ideas, and it's Pride Month. Support our channel by getting some Pride merch for yourself, a loved one. Get it while supplies last. All of it's available at TheKempire.com/shop. Head on over to the description of this video for more details. Thank you so much for supporting us, and happy Pride. She continues by saying, because Ms. White achieved these litigation objectives, defendants cannot be considered, quote, prevailing parties under California law, and they cannot recover their exorbitant litigation costs of $391,000 from Ms. White. So Page 6 reported in early May that the jury awarded no damages to Blac Chyna in her defamation lawsuit against the Kardashian Jenners, but the jury did find that Kris Jenner, Kylie Jenner, and Kim Kardashian acted to protect their own economic interests. They also found that Kris, Kim, Khloe, and Kylie knew Chyna had a contract with the E! Network, but did not find that their conduct had prevented Chyna from performing under that agreement. So as you know, Blac Chyna sued the Kardashian Jenners for $40 million for loss of earnings and more than $60 million in future earnings, claiming that the family had used their influence to tarnish her reputation and prevent financial opportunities after they allegedly conspired to cancel the second season of Rob and Chyna. You also may recall that a former network head claimed under oath that there was no second season of Rob and Chyna down the pipe. However, we found the article where another E! executive said that there was going to be a new season. But here's the thing. The results of this, I heard this after we reported about Blac Chyna had lost this case. She technically lost the case because we know the truth, Blac Chyna. This was not about you winning in the eyes of the law. You wanted money. You wanted actual money that said, I can keep my many cars that she got rid of. I can, still survive without necessarily having to do all these weird things like celebrity boxing to keep a check and keep my name out there. Let's be real. But that doesn't change the fact that the Kardashian Jenners are being petty as hell. She's still the mother of your grandchild, Kris. But I know this is your way of trying to punish her. The Kardashians, there's a multiple billionaires in this family. You think they need $391,000? They are clearly being petty at this point. But also petty in the eyes of public opinion, because they know when they do something like this, it's going to be reported on. So what is the end goal here? Is it to financially ruin Blac Chyna, aka Angela White? Probably.
Get your fucking ass up and work.
But they're probably also thinking she's trying to ruin us. She's trying to get a big payday from us. For those that think I have anything against the Kardashians or Blac Chyna, when I look at something like this, this is a perfect example of why I don't have anything for Blac Chyna, and I don't have anything for the Kardashian Jenners, because they're all out for themselves. They're all out for protecting themselves, protecting their brands, protecting the millions and billions of dollars that they have. Blac Chyna, from jump, let's be real, got with Rob Kardashian, not for love. She was trying to do something. She was trying to do her own okie doke. And when that fell through, technically, she's like, I'm going to get my money in another way. The Kardashians, that's a whole other, we can do, there could be a whole class on the okie doke of the Kardashian Jenners. Right now, them seeking $400,000 in this case, it's petty. It's petty. But based on what Blac Chyna's attorney is saying, it makes complete sense. If this is California law, well, she's right. Because technically, the jury did find that they were at fault. However, they did not award any damages. And I know a lot of you are like, well, she technically didn't lose. She technically didn't lose. But we all know what Blac Chyna wanted here. It wasn't for her namesake. It wasn't to clear her name. Not like Johnny Depp. Johnny Depp wanted to clear his name. He didn't want those millions. I mean, he would have taken the millions of dollars. But he wanted to really clear his name. That's not what Blac Chyna wanted. Blac Chyna wanted those millions of dollars. Let's be real. Guys, let's continue this conversation below. I want to know your reaction to this. Why do you think that the Kardashians are doing this? Is it just to be petty, or do you think they need the money? I want to hear your opinions. Let's continue that conversation. As always, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on breaking news when we go live or when we upload. Thanks for watching.